What's going on, guys? It's me, Dark Knight, back with another video. And I'm playing Subway Surfers. And I'm going to be doing another challenge like all my other videos. My challenge for this one is to get 500 coins in the first round of the first game of me playing today or yesterday or 3 days ago. Like, I have not played in a while, and I'm going to see if I can get 500 coins in the first time. And I can only use 5 hoverboards, and that's it, to save myself or whatever. Alright? So there's my challenge, and please smash that like button, and please subscribe to my channel, Dark Knight Shepherd. Now, let's get to the video. Dude, are you serious? Where's the Subway Surfers music? You know what? I don't even think the Subway Surfers music would have cut it. I think we should have got, like, challenge music or something. Yeah. I don't like this. Can I fix this? Like, where's my settings? Dude, there's like, I can't even do it. Alright, well, it's not going to be this round, but I'm going to kill myself real quick because I need that music. Kill myself. Ah, there we go. So that obviously didn't count. But what is this? Alright. Why can't I sound on? What the? Okay, that was weird. You guys saw that, right? Okay. Whatever. Let's go. Right, a redo with the challenge. So our challenge again was 500 coins on the first round, and hopefully we can do it. Alright, let's go. Remember, only 5 hoverboards, so if you see me use more than that, then you guys can just hate me or whatever you want to do, and I'll just go hide in this corner and I'll just throw my life away. But anyways, hopefully I don't fail, because I really don't like to fail in my videos, because then it just makes me look like a loser. So, yeah. Who's that? I don't even know. But it looks like... Wait. Oh, shoot. No, I was looking at the thing. It's okay. I got keys. I never said I couldn't use keys. It's alright. I was looking at the thing. Looking at who it was. I wasn't paying attention. You guys can let me have that chance or whatever or not, but it's fine. Dude, this person sucks. Like, are you serious? They only had like 7,000. I don't even remember what my score was. 500. What the? How did that happen? I literally grabbed the thing and swiped. Like, what? It's fine. Okay. I need to concentrate. These faces, though, they be making me cringe. I think I know who that is. I think her name is, like, Sierra or something. Bruh. That face, though. Coins. Yes, please, come on. I know I'm famous, but don't pay me that much. I mean, coins. Bruh. It's exactly why I used it. Wait. Oh no, why'd I do that, bruh? This ad, though. What is this? An off-brand of Subway Surfers? this game though. I have goosebumps all over because of this game. That ad though. Yeah, let me add that to my non-watching list. Get it? Add. I know. I'm cringy. I know. You guys can just cringe in the corner back there. Fortina multiplier. Oh, dude, I already reached my goal. I'm at 600 coins. Well, I guess I reached it. I wasn't paying attention, so I got 600 coins. So thanks for watching my video, and I did meet my goal, so please, just for that, drop a like and subscribe to my channel, please, because I did make it, right? Oh, let's double up and get some 2,000 bucks. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and well, have a good time. Go watch a different video. Do whatever you want. Go eat a bowl of cereal. Eat macaroni. Whatever you're gonna do. I don't care. Go fishing. Whatever you're gonna do. Just be safe. Also, I'm one of those people that looks out for your safety. So just have fun. Be safe, and just have a good life. Bye.